Tired of juggling endless marketing tasks and feeling overwhelmed? Today, I'll show you how to supercharge your email marketing by connecting Getresponse with Zapier, automating those tedious tasks and freeing up your time. First, log into your Zapier account or create one. If you don't already have one, click on the Create Zap button. This is where the magic begins. Now, let's set up the event that starts your automation. In the search bar, type Getresponse and select the Getresponse app. Zapier will then show you a list of trigger events. Let's choose New Contact to automatically add new subscribers to Getresponse. Click Continue. Next, you'll need to connect your Getresponse account. If you haven't already, you'll be prompted to enter your API key, which you can find in your Getresponse account settings. Follow the on-screen instructions to securely connect your accounts. Now, let's set up the action. What you want to happen in Getresponse: when a new contact is added in your chosen app, again, search for Getresponse and select it. This time, we'll choose Add Contact to. Well, at the contact, select Continue. Here's where the real power comes in. Map the data from your trigger app to the corresponding fields in Getresponse. For example, map the email address from your trigger to the email field in Getresponse. Do the same for name and any other relevant custom fields. Zapier will then ask you to test the Zap. This is a crucial step to ensure everything is working correctly. Follow the prompts to send the test contact to Getresponse. Once the test is successful, give your Zap a descriptive name and turn it on. Congratulations, you've now automated adding new contacts to Getresponse. You can explore many other integrations and triggers to truly revolutionize your email marketing.